Hello friend, my name is Rayhanul Islam. I have brought a special product for you. Product name, vidBoard AI Review. Product description. I have discussed the important points that come inside this product below. Turn documents, URLs, and text into multilingual AI avatar presenter videos with a drag-and-drop editor. -72%, $69. Lifetime access. Refundable up to 60 days. You can't afford to burn through your whole day creating video content. Luckily, vidBoard lets you turn documents, website links, and plain text into polished AI avatar videos with lifelike AI avatars, voices, and captions. Turn documents, URLs, and plain text into polished AI avatar videos with multilingual lip sync and captions. Edit every detail with a drag-and-drop editor that lets you adjust text per slide, reorder content, and add transitions. Alternative to Canva, Synthesia, Vidyard. Best for educators, marketing agencies, small businesses. Convert documents, URLs, and text into presenter-led videos with lifelike AI avatars, no camera needed. Turn any content into a presenter video. Paste a website link, PDF, Word doc, or plain text, and vidBoard will automatically split it into structured video content. Generate a full video from a plain text prompt without building slides from scratch. Present in any language with lifelike AI avatars. Choose from 100+ pre-made AI avatars spanning diverse demographics, ages, and presentation styles. Lip sync your avatar across 125 languages, including right-to-left languages like Hebrew and Arabic. Select from 500+ AI voices powered by 11 Labs, Resemble.ai, OpenAI, and Microsoft Azure for natural-sounding narration. Edit your video with full creative control. Adjust text styling per character, reorder slides, and control every object on the canvas with a Canva-style drag-and-drop editor. Add AI-generated captions to your videos, all auto-synced to your audio. Apply slide transitions and smart alignment tools to polish the final presentation. Level up your videos with built-in assets. Generate AI images and background music inside vidBoard. No external tools or stock subscriptions needed. Pull free visual assets from Pexels, Unsplash, and Pixabay directly within the editor. Create faceless videos using AI-generated visuals and music for a fully automated output. Export your finished video as an MP4 ready to publish anywhere. Reviews. Sean D'Souza. Really helpful for me and my work. Highly recommend. I am a small SEO entrepreneur. I just got vidBoard, and I've currently made around 4 to 5 videos using it. And I can already say that this is going to be useful for me. In the midst of my work, I don't have the time to record, script, and edit videos, even thought I am aware that that's something I need to do. Now that I have vidBoard, I can easily make videos for my services. In fact, I'm also going to start offering video services for my existing clients.